I'm in a 2007 PT Cruiser, and I'm going to show you today how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, you should see a release handle, which should be under slight tension. If it's not, you probably have to pull this plastic out and re-tighten, attach whatever cables is loose. Hopefully it's all good though. Now we'll go up to the front. And then most vehicles towards the center, and it should be loose from that safety being loose, but most vehicles have a lever somewhere towards the middle. And where is it? So I'm pinching and lifting. So it looks like I did it from this, but obviously it would be better to do it from the other side. And then it's just hooked right onto that. If you're having issues, you might have some debris stuck in here, maybe need a little WD-40 sprayed to loosen it up. Or sometimes if the hood's out of alignment or these parts are bent, you might need to straighten things out so it'll close properly again. Or worst case, the parts are fairly affordable to replace if it needs new something, or the cables. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.